Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, educators, and to everyone who watch this video. Hello, my name is Jessica Sherly Berlina. I'm from Stikes Jenderal Achmad Yani Cimahi, majoring midwifery department. I'm now as a prime minister in government team, and this is my partner.
Hello, my name is Destiara from Stikes Jenderal Achmad Yani Cimahi, majoring midwifery department as a deputy prime minister in this government team.
The topic discussion is how, as a first-generation immigrant parent of color in a predominantly white country, would choose to live and raise children in an ethnic enclave. For the first, I will explain what is ethnic enclave mean. Ethnic enclave is a community that maintains a strong sense of ethnic or national identity within another country. In sociology, ethnic enclave is a geographic area with high ethnic concentration, characteristic cultural identity, and economic activity. Like I said before, we are agree about this motion that immigrant parents of color in a predominantly white country would choose to live and raise children in an ethnic enclave. Now, I will discuss some points to support government move. First, enrich cultural product. China and Chinese were among the first people who immigrate to Indonesia. And when Chinese come, they are bring something like their food and clothes and anything. The impact to Indonesia is we have new food and new style to use clothes. And the second, introduce original culture. What does mean? That means it's Chinese bring their original culture to Indonesia. For example, Chinese New Year. When they are celebrate a Chinese New Year in Indonesia, they always show the bottom side, and its impact to Indonesia that we have a show to watch. And for the third, learn to tolerate. What that mean? That means Indonesia must tolerate Chinese people in Indonesia, because a big country is a a country who can tolerate. And the conclusion, we are agree for immigrant parents of color in a predominantly white country who choose to live and raise children in an ethnic enclave.
Based the definition from my partner regarding ethnic enclaves can provide many benefits through the attractiveness of their respective cultures. Why? For an example, because in our country, the most popular family tours are tours that have external ethnic value, mostly for economic growth. As we know, the Great Asia Africa in Bandung, which contains symbols and places in several countries such as India, China, Korea, Africa, and others. This provides an advantage on the economic side of a particular country. This means also showing life with tolerance with minorities in the same country, especially in our country Indonesia, as assigned by Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means different but still one. Therefore, we from the government team strongly agree with this motion because there are many benefits that can be taken. Now, I will discuss some points to support government move. 1. Affect finance. As I told before, ethnic enclave can be something unique to be introduced to our country, like Chinatown, the Great Asia Africa, farmhouse, and many more, which be tourist destination. head of tourism department said. During the long weekend, in one of tourist destinations, usually up to 3,000 people can visit. I went around and got the visitor could be up to 10,000 people from disparate Jabar. 2. Foster a sense of tolerance. With an attitude of tolerance, we can learn some positive things from a culture, and we will not look down on other countries. And the conclusion, of course, we are agree with this motion that as a first-generation immigrant parent of color in a predominantly white country, will choose to live and raise children in an ethnic enclave. And that's enough from us. Thanks for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.